Welcome to Software Talks. This is Kannababu. Today we'll discuss about different applications that we can develop in software industry, and mostly we'll focus on web applications. First of all, we must know what is a software. Software is collection of programs. Program is set of instructions given to a computer. Or generally you can tell that program was written, a piece of logic that was written to satisfy a particular requirement. You can call as a program. So if you want to develop any softwares, the softwares are basically divided into two types. One is system software, other one is application software. System software means any software that will communicate with hardware. That type of softwares are called as system software. Example, you can take audio drivers, video drivers, LAN drivers, printer drivers. These all are the examples of system software. Okay. So for example, if you want a song, you have to install audio drivers. If you want to watch a movie, you have to install video drivers. Or if you want to connect to internet, you have to install LAN drivers. So these all are the examples of system softwares. Mostly system softwares can be developed by using C++. Application software means application software is a software which is used to develop some coordinated tasks for the better benefit of end user. The type of softwares are called as application softwares. And these application softwares are again divided into two types, desktop applications and web applications. Desktop application means the application that we install on user's desktop. What are the installed applications are called as desktop applications. So what are the software that we install manually on your machine? These are called as desktop applications. We can develop desktop applications by using programming languages like C, C++, Java, C#.NET, Python. We can develop these desktop applications. Web applications means what? The application that was deployed on server and can be accessible via browser and internet. That type of applications are called as web applications like Facebook, Gmail, banking applications, e-commerce applications, like shopping cart applications, like e-commerce means shopping cart applications, Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, etc. Like education related applications like college websites, school websites, or something like insurance related applications, healthcare related applications, hospital websites, pharma related websites. These all comes under web applications. So if you want to develop web applications, we can develop by using programming languages, technologies, frameworks, some UI technologies, plus database related softwares. These all knowledge you must have. Generally by using Java. If you want to develop a web application by using Java, you must have the knowledge on some core Java, advanced Java like JSP, Servlets, JDBC, Spring Boot, and nowadays REST APIs. One database is required, most Oracle or SQL or MySQL. Is it clear? To develop the complete end-to-end web applications. Similarly, if you want to develop web applications by using .NET, you must have the knowledge on programming language, that is C#.NET, technologies like ASP.NET, ADO.NET, and frameworks like ASP.NET MVC, .NET Core, some REST APIs, database, mostly they will use SQL Server, .NET developers. Similarly, if you want to develop web application by using Python, you have to learn some Python plus Django, Flask, MongoDB or SQLite in order to develop web applications. If you want to develop web applications by using mean stack developer also, we can develop the web applications like MongoDB, Express.js, Node.js, Angular. That is a mean stack. Okay. And we can develop web applications by using PHP also. PHP. Similarly, you can go for Cake PHP, or you can go for some MySQL database. So web applications main advantage is multi-user application. If web application is not there, it is not possible to do the online shopping. It is not possible to book the train tickets through online. It is not possible to book the movie tickets through online, bookmyshow.com. IRCTC, Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, Redbus. These all are comes under web applications only. So web applications 100% must be deployed on the server, and the end user will access that particular application via multiple devices. And here if you take one more example, something like if you take IRCTC. IRCTC is an application, right? Now how many users will access this application? Like employees will be there, employees of IRCTC, customers of IRCTC, some agents of IRCTC, like different types of users are there. These all users are trying to access the single application. Is it clear? The employees of the IRCTC responsibility is what? His responsibility is to upload the train details or cancel the train details or prepare the PNR status or check the booking details and everything. The responsibilities of customers of IRCTC is what? Search the train details, book the tickets, confirm the ticket, select the seat, do the payment, and print the ticket. So responsibilities are different. Multiple users are communicating with same application at a time by using different devices. Mostly the customer of IRCTC will book the ticket. 90% customers nowadays they are booking the ticket through mobile. And the employee of the IRCTC, he cannot use mobile. Office work you cannot do with mobile. Only for searching point of view only will use what? Mobiles. So generally one server is there, multiple clients are there. Here browser is there, desktop is there, and here mobile is there. So multiple clients are communicating with single server at a time. That flexibility is given only by web application. So that is why mostly freshers or up to 2 to 3 years experience employees also develop. If you want to choose your career in the software industry as a developer, you have to learn these programming languages, technologies, frameworks and database softwares. Mostly your role is to develop the web applications only in the companies. Is it clear? So just I am telling what is web application. Multi-user application. How many people will connect to Facebook at a time? So millions of users. All the users will connect at a time or one after other? All at a time. So how many applications are there? One application. These applications keep on where? A common place where everyone can access. Is it clear? That is nothing but what? Server. Develop the application by using languages, technologies, frameworks, database software. Once the development is done, we have to place that application in the common place. That is server. So multiple users will communicate with the server and can access that particular application. Is it clear? So mostly I think you got clarity on what is web applications, and different examples for web applications are different applications are there. E-commerce applications, some warehouse applications, some shipping domain applications, some social networking applications, education related applications, insurance related applications, pharma related applications. These all comes under web applications. Okay. For more videos, try to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.